So hi guys, padumi karon sa mall, okay? Na ay importanteng paliton para kang kung siyang play next week. So stay tuned.
See, no, Viom, it's actually not treasure because
I don't know. Mostly everyone's a cashless.
So yeah, on the way namin sa mall. Were we going Phoenix or Lulu Mall?
it was in the airport, remember? You told me what
They just put it for decoration.
No, it is a tree, pa.
Favorite ko na lang. Shopper stop. Ang DIY. What are we looking for exactly? Huh? Mga pang winter na jud ang ilang mga baligyangan here. Because it started na ang winter. Medyo malamig na siya. Mga pang winter na.
Oh my god.
Diba? Ang nice.
No, that one.
Ha? Pizza Hut. Ang turkey. Ah, turkey? Peacock.